Hey guys, I haven't installed all this stuff yet in the cab, so it's kind of a mess, but I wanted to give you a visual of what this LED strip integration looks like for Pixelcade. So the idea is that we'll have these additional lighting effects that will interact with your front end. So imagine you've got an LED strip mounted on the side here, same one on the right side. You could add these speaker rings. Those would go in your speaker grills. There's also these LED matrix panels. And there's also one here, which I'll probably end up mounting here. But for right now, just pay attention to that one. So the idea is as you're scrolling through your front end, so here's different consoles. And so you can see we're doing a little scrolling text here. We're doing colors that kind of match the console. And then what we also did was we did some special effects just for MAME. So let's see if I do favorites. So as I pick certain, we didn't do every game, but certain iconic games will have a little animation that's very specific and then colors that are specific to the theme of that game. So let's see, we did asteroids. That's one. We did Berserk. That's another one. So that's the happy face that tries to get you at the end of the game there. Burger Time, this one's pretty nice. You can see some burgers there. These animations are very Burger Time specific. Centipede. Let's see, I think we did Defender. Yeah, here's Defender. Let's see, Dig Dug, I think we did. There's Dig Dug. Frogger. Let's see, Galaga we did. Okay, so it's like the little bugs flying down and swarming you. Gorf. Let's see, I think we did Joust. Yeah. So that's the dragon flying. So this display here, by the way, is 8 by 32, so 512 LEDs versus Pixelcade LED is 4,000 LEDs, so obviously higher resolution. But just different effect, right? The LEDs are bigger, they're a little bit brighter, so it just kind of complements in a different way. Here's Pac-Man, little chase scene there. Let's see, Qbert. Okay, so that's a little snake. There's R-Type. Okay, I don't think I did. I did do Space Invaders. Yeah, there's Space Invaders. Let's see, what else did we do? Of course, we've got to do Tron for Glenn. So there's a pretty cool Tron animation. I think those are the main ones. Yeah. If there's any other special requests, we can definitely do those. Oh, Tempest. We did Tempest. There's Tempest. But yeah, that's the idea. So hopefully you get the gist of what this is all about. And we're just wrapping up the software right now. We're going to have a beta here out pretty soon and just closing out all the bugs, and then we'll have this out shortly.